Hello students, today we shall start poem A Roadside Stand, poem number 5 of your book. We shall read this poem in parts. In this video, we shall read and understand first 10 lines of the poem. A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is highly acclaimed poet who is famous for the realistic depiction of rural life. In this poem also, he has highlighted the plight of the deprived villagers. So let's start the poem, A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. This is the poem in your textbook. I have selected lines for you. The beginning of the poem is with these lines. The little old house was out with a little new shed in front at the edge of the road where the traffic sped. A roadside stand that too pathetically pled. The little old house was out, as the name of the poem suggests. There is a little old house was out. Out means extended. एक छोटा सा लिटिल ओल्ड हाउस जिसको एक्सटेंड करके एक नया शेड बनाया गया है फॉर द कमर्शियल पर्पस बाय अ फार्मर in front at the edge of the road. That means that house is situated at the edge of the road, right? Where the traffic sped. Sped is the past form of speed. Where the traffic sped, that means जहाँ से ट्रैफिक बहुत स्पीड से गुजरता है. A roadside stand that too pathetically pled. Pled is the past form of plead. It means to request, and pathetically means piteously, means बहुत दयनीय अवस्था में. So students, this stanza is the opening stanza of the poem, which describes the setting of the poem, which is a roadside stand. There is a little old house and a stand is built by a poor farmer outside his house. This stand is situated at the edge of the highway where traffic passes by at a great speed. It would not be fair to say for a dole of bread. It would not be fair to say means ये कहना ठीक नहीं होगा कि उन्होंने जो रोड साइड स्टैंड वहाँ एस्टैब्लिश किया है वो डोल ऑफ ब्रेड के लिए किया है. डोल ऑफ ब्रेड मीन्स रोजी रोटी. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके पास रोटी की कमी है. इट वुड नॉट बी फेयर टू से, it is not right to say that they have established that roadside stand there for a dole of, for some of the money. They or he, this can be about one farmer or more than one farmer, right? So they require money. Farmers who have set up roadside stand there, they don't need bread. They require money, cash money, because the cash whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering fame. Whose flow means the flow of money, supports the flower of cities. The flower of cities means a luxurious lifestyle, the pleasures of city life, the prosperous lifestyle. From sinking and withering faint. Sinking and withering faint means declining. Means जो मनी है वही सपोर्ट करता है एक लग्जूरियस लाइफस्टाइल को, और जो लोग वहाँ रोड साइड स्टैंड एस्टैब्लिश करके बैठे हैं उनकी क्या इच्छा है कि उनके हाथ में कुछ सिटी मनी आए और उस सिटी मनी से वो अपना लाइफस्टाइल एक्सपैंड कर सके. The polished traffic passed with a mind ahead. The polished traffic. The traffic is called polished. It means refined. That means the persons who are passing by, they are well-to-do people. The polished traffic passed with a mind ahead. With a mind ahead means they are very sensitive to those people pass by with a mind ahead. That means they overtake the roadside stand dwellers as their mind is focused only on their destination. वो लोग बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देते कि वहाँ कौन है, क्या बेच रहा है, क्योंकि उन्हें सिर्फ अपनी डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुँचना है. Or if ever aside a moment, stop for a moment, then out of sorts means irritated, upset, angry. एक तो वो रुकते नहीं हैं, अगर वो रुकते भी हैं तो वो इरिटेटेड हो जाते हैं, तो वो अपसेट हो जाते हैं. और रीज़न क्या है अपसेट होने का? एट हैविंग द लैंडस्केप marred with the artless paint, when they see that the beauty of that place is spoiled by those roadside dwellers with their artless paint. And also the another reason is of signs that with n turned wrong and s turned wrong. They see that there are two signs n and s which indicate direction, but those signs are wrong there, are inverted there, they are wrongly written there, so they get upset. So in these 10 lines, we have read about the setting of the roadside stand by poor farmers in the hope of getting money, cash money, and the purpose of requirement of money is the luxurious lifestyle. But the traffic does not stop there, and if someone stops there, he or she gets irritated after watching the spoiled landscape and the signs N and S inverted. Okay, so in next video we shall read next lines. Thank you.